Professor Dr. Mohammad Aslam Mukhedi, actually he was supposed to be here, but there was a problem with medical some condition of his son, so he has to go in a hospital. And still he has asked me that he is going to join me whenever he is getting free. So he'll be coming soon. Mr. Atanur Dogan Sahab, Sai Jamatmal Sahab, Professor Dr. Khanul Broi Sahab, Ali Abbas Jafri Sahab, Mr. Kashif Shazad Curator, and my dear friends, international friends, organizers, global artist community, art lovers, art promoters, all CADians, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good evening. Actually, I am very much indebted to everyone, and most specifically the people who have come all the way from different parts of the world. We have the Galaxy, the August, in this August house. There are artist community from United States of America, Brazil, Serbia, Russia, Argentina, Slovakia, Canada and Turkey. And apart from that, there is contribution of several countries. So I think it's not good time to name every one of them. It would be the time consuming. You can see in our catalog, so there is a work of several people in this exhibition. We are thankful to Mr. Atanur Dogan. He has been here from very first our Benami, and he comes every time whenever we invite him. Thank you very much. And this time he has graced this occasion with his supreme boss, and that is the Osman. Osman, you know Osman. So he is now covered with Osman, and Osman is the name of his wife. So a big applause for Mr. Atanur Dogan. And there is another, basically the Troika. I call them Troika, Serbian community. There are the three friends, but this time we have only received two of them, Mr. Peja and the Tony. So I think because they are continuously coming here, they are continuously in interaction with us, they remain in interaction with us. So I think I would like, they deserve applause. So please kindly, applause for them. And this time we have some of the new visitors who have gracefully come from this time, are not only graceful in outlook, but they are very kind at heart. I would like to take their names for permanent record of the CAD. They are, amongst them are Miss Ivani Ranieri, Miss Natalia, Miss Diana Toma, Miss Elena Krugova, Mr. Lester Miller, Mr. Bo Bhana, Mr. Vladimir, Miss Bea Estrago, Miss Hinsta, Peja, Dr. Tony. I think they deserve big applause. They have come in Pakistan. They are your guests today. And I would like to have this applause is very weak, because people are coming from different parts of the world. The applause should be to the tune that the sound of applause should go to the United States of America, to Argentina, to Serbia, to Brazil, everywhere. So you should be generous in at least applause. We feel sad to share with you that a precious group of artists from Iran, they couldn't come, they couldn't join us. And that was because of this recent medical or this coronavirus epidemic that is spread all around the world. So the people who came to the airport, but they were actually refused. The services of the airplane, they were refused to them. They were Mr. Nadar, Akbar Akbari, Hassan Kondi, Murza Mukhtari, and Saeed Haidi. So they couldn't come. And also there is another group of people who are with us from Argentina. And they were stuck because of the same issue. They remain stuck on the airport of Madrid. They came from Argentina to Spain, Madrid, and they were refused actually, or their flight was delayed, and they stayed there for more than 24 long hours. And we are really thankful to them that still they managed to come over here. A big applause for them. And of course, because you came here, you had a passion, so we love you. We love you all, please. I am indebted to the worthy Vice Chancellor Mehran Shiv Indian Technology Jamshoro, who has given the full support. He has put all the resources of Mehran University at our disposal, including this hall, this big hall, and the transport, the accommodation, and several things. So I think big applause for the university too. We are thankful that Mr. Jhamatmal, he came all the way. He is probably in his late 70s, but still he came here, he took the time, and he is here right from 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and he is with us, still sitting with us, and he is enjoying all along. And I'll tell you one thing, that Advocate Jhamatmal is our lawyer. He fights all the litigations of the center, and for last 12 years there is not a single litigation in which we got defeat. We have remained successful all the time. So a big applause for him. You know, we have I'm saying that our back is very strong. If I don't take the name of Mr. Hamid Sumro, although he is not here, he is going to join us tomorrow, but Mr. Hamid Sumro is the single one person who managed several sponsors for us. But I would say, our very first Biennale could not have been possible if he was not there. So he supported us, and his support is only simple telephone call can earn millions of rupees. He's a very trustworthy person, and he's a very reputable person. So I applause for him. And there's another gentleman, Mr. Khalid Mahmood. And at the end, I would like to thank our volunteers. A group of people led by Mr. Kashif Shahzad and Mr. Salim Jatyal and Mr. Shahid Memon. You saw the performance of the Shahid Memon. So, and there are several, all the CADs, all the departments, all the heads of departments, and all the faculty members, all the students, all the employees, they have remained 24 hours on work to make this event happen. So a big applause for them. They deserve applause. Now at the end, I'm thankful to all the security agencies who gave us the support, and also the journalists who have given the coverage to us. I'm thankful to Mr. Nawaz Sato. Nawaz Sato comes here every time, every single moment. In all the programs, he is in support with us. And today he is here from 1 o'clock until now, and also the live broadcast is there because of him. So big applause for him, please. Now at the end, only the one point. I met yesterday this gentleman from America. He is there, and I was surprised when he told me the role of IWS community. Mr. Ataru Dogan, he is the king. The IWS community now is spread over about 110 countries. Now we have branches in 110 countries. We are one of them. So there are 109 other countries. And our friend from the United States of America said that my image was Muslims changed altogether to positive when I attended an International Watercolor Society exhibition in somewhere other part of the world, not here. Here he came first time. He said that my image completely changed upside down. So you can say the IWS community, the role of IWS community is developing the soft image, is making people of all the world live together. And it is the networking, is developing the networking among, not only among the artists, but the people, from people to people, heart to heart. So our relations are getting stronger and stronger and stronger. So thank you very much. This is the role of IWS community, and we will continue, hopefully the next time, we will be meeting each other again 2 years, after 2 years. Thank you very much. And I can tell you that our program, because sponsors of several types, and Indus Online has given us free support of live broadcasting, and I'm grateful to Mr. Khalid Khokar Saab. I hope he's here. Khalid Saab, you are there. Thank you very much for coming. He came. Now he came here. So thank you very much, sir. And that is all for free. All the equipment, the people at our disposal. So thank you very much. And I think we'll encourage the young electronic diary people that they have been there too. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.